In this lesson, we will deal with arithmetic mean. Last time, we were able to determine the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. Suppose you are to find the missing terms in an arithmetic sequence and the only terms given are the first and last term. How will you find the missing terms? These missing terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence are known as arithmetic means. To better understand arithmetic mean, let us have an example. Find the terms between -2 and -17 to complete the arithmetic sequence. To solve for the arithmetic mean, we will also use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. We have a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. First, we identify what we have in the given. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, a sub 3, a sub 4, a sub 5, and a sub 6. It means there are 6 terms in the arithmetic sequence. To solve for the common difference, we will use the formula for the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. By substitution, we have a sub 6, which is the last term, equals a sub 1 plus 6 minus 1 times d. We know that the sixth term is -17, and the first term is -2. So we have -17 equals -2 plus 6 minus 1 is 5 times d, we have 5d. Applying the addition property of equality, we have -5d equals 17 minus 2. Simplifying it, -5d equals 15. To get the value of the common difference, we need to divide both sides of the equation by -5, which is the coefficient of d. We have d equals -3. Now that we have the value for the common difference, we can now determine the values of the missing arithmetic means. We know that the second term is equal to the sum of the first term plus the common difference. So we have -2 plus -3, we have -5. The third term equals a sub 1 plus 2d. -2 plus -6 equals -8. The fourth term is also the sum of a sub 1 plus 3d. 3 times -3, we have -9, plus -2, we have -11. And the fifth term, a sub 1 plus 4d. We have -12 plus -2, we have -14. So we have -5, -8, -11, and -14. Those are the missing arithmetic mean. Next example, we have find the arithmetic mean between 3 halves and -7 halves. for our solution, first, we are going to determine the given. We have the first term, the missing term, which is the second term, and the third term. To get 4, the common difference, we will again use the nth term of an arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. By substitution, we have a sub 3 equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Negative 7 halves equals 3 halves plus 3 minus 1 equals 2 times d, 2d. Using the addition property of equality, we have negative 2d equals 3 halves plus 7 halves. Negative 2d equals, we have 10 halves or 10 over 2, and 10 over 2 is equal to 5. So we have negative 2d equals 5. Dividing both sides by negative 2, we have the common difference equals negative 5 halves. We can now solve for the second term. We have a sub 2 equals a sub 1 plus d. We just need to add 3 halves to negative 5 halves. Since they are similar fraction, we just need to copy the denominator and perform the operation in the numerator. We have 3 minus 5 equals negative 2 over 2. Simplifying it, we have negative 1. Thus, the second term is equal to negative 1. Next, find the arithmetic mean between a and a plus 2b. First, we identify the terms of the sequence. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. To determine the common difference, we will again use a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. By substitution, we have a sub 3 equals a sub 1 plus 3 minus 1 times d. A sub 3 is equal to a plus 2b equals a sub 1, which is a, plus 2d. By addition property of equality, we have negative 2d equals a minus 2b. Simplifying it, we have negative 2d equals negative 2b, since a minus a equals 0. Then we divide both sides by negative 2. We have d equals b. Therefore, the common difference is actually equal to b. To get the second term, we just need to add the first term to the common difference. We have a sub 1, which is a, plus the common difference, which is b. We have a plus b. The missing arithmetic mean is a plus b. How about this one? What must be the value of k so that 3k plus 9 will be the arithmetic mean of k plus 7 and k plus 3? To determine the value of k, we identify the terms. We have a sub 1, a sub 2, and a sub 3. Let us get the common difference. We will use a sub 2 minus a sub 1. Subtracting a sub 2 and a sub 1, we have 3k plus 9 minus k plus 7. Then, 3k plus 9 minus k minus 7. Combining like terms, we have 3k minus k equals 2k. 9 minus 7 equals 2. Therefore, D equals 2k plus 2. Since we are looking for the value of k, and we do not have a definite or exact value for the common difference, let us note this as equation 1. Also, we can use the second and third term to determine the common difference. We have a sub 3 minus a sub 2 equals k plus 3 minus 3k plus 9. Simplifying it, we have k plus 3 minus 3k minus 9. Combining like terms, we have k minus 3k equals negative 2k. Then, 3 minus 9 equals negative 6. Then, we have negative 2k minus 6. And note this as equation 2. Now that we have two values for the common difference, we can equate both equations. Equation 1 equals equation 2, or D equals D. We have 2k plus 2 equals negative 2k minus 6. By addition property of equality, we have 2k plus 2k equals negative 6 minus 2. Simplifying it, we have 4k equals negative 8. Then we divide both sides by the coefficient of k, which is 4. We have negative 8 over 4 equals negative 2. Then, the value of k equals negative 2. To check if the sequence is arithmetic, we substitute the value of k to the given terms. For a sub 1, we have negative 2 plus 7 equals 5. For a sub 2, 3 times negative 2 is negative 6 plus 9, that is positive 3. And for the third term, we have negative 2 plus 3 equals positive 1. We have 5, 3, and 1. Notice that they have a common difference, which is negative 2. 1 minus 3 equals negative 2. 3 minus 5 equals negative 2. Therefore, the given terms are arithmetic. How was it? Were you able to learn what arithmetic mean is? Always remember, arithmetic means are the missing terms between any two non-consecutive terms of an arithmetic sequence. Also, we can use a sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d to find the arithmetic mean.